Conventionalists are absolutely going to want to ban this repulsive fly pattern. To tie it, we'll start off by grabbing a bead, heating up our hook eye, using a lighter, and sliding our bead in place, at which point we'll heat up the head of our fly once again, before sliding our bead forward, pulling it upwards, and fixing it in place with some UV resin. And if you want to win this fly, comment #flies in the comments below, at which point we'll attach our thread just behind our bead, snap the excess free, and lay down a thread base for our following steps. Grabbing some super glue, painting it over our thread wraps, before securing some Galaxy mop in place. Here I'm using tan. Secure it tightly in place, ensuring that it can't be pulled free. Trim it to length, and burn the tip to help add some durability. At which point, we'll create a dubbing loop, grabbing some tan hare's ear, sliding it into our dubbing loop before grabbing some ice dubbing and placing it at the tail end. Spin it up and brush it out to give it that nice, buggy look. At which point, we'll begin wrapping it just in front of our mop, pulling the fibers back as we go to not trap any in the forward position, and continue to do so until we reach our bead. At which point, we'll secure it tightly in place, snip our excess free, and brush it out to give it that nice, buggy look. Whip finish, snip your thread free, and reattach your thread to the head of the fly. Before grabbing some egg yarn, we'll cut it in half, securing it to one side of our fly before folding it over and securing it to the other. Whip finish to hold it all together, snip your thread free, and this is a mashup of an egg and a mop fly that I like to call the Mogg. It's actually quite productive at catching fish, but it'll scare away your conventionalist buddies, so use it with care. And if you'd like some for your fly box, you can find them on my website listed below. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.